Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to test out Auto HDR and see how they handle processing 265 bracketed images. I shoot 5 brackets, 2 stops in between, and we're going to upload them and see how the editing looks. Auto HDR has graciously given me some credits to test this out, so let's do it. I have all my files selected from a folder. I'm going to drag and drop. I'm going to name my folder. Here you have a drop down. It says Auto HDR Classic, Natural Beautiful Look for Interiors. Lisa is an extra pop and deep window pulls. And then Twilight for photos shot at dusk. I'm going to choose Lisa because I like nice window pulls. If I hit this gear icon, we can do sky replacement, perspective correction, grass, and declutter. I'm not going to do that. I'll hit continue. And now we're going to go through the upload process. I like to just show my internet connection to show that we are uploading. So I will pause the video and come back when it's ready. Okay, after everything was done uploading, it says, "Congratulations, you've unlocked same-day turnaround. You will receive an email with your processed photos within 30 minutes. And here we're just talking, it says trusted to edit 10% of US listings. There's a few videos here. There's some different capabilities, HDR editing, natural or intense, real twilights, fire and fireplace, TV screens. You can do removals. Sky replacement. And grass greening. You can do a AI re-edit post-processing. You can do virtual twilights, grass greening, paint color accuracy down to the hex code. Fully automate your editing workflow. Select your delivery software. Spiro, HD Photo Hub, Tonimo, Ario, and Dropbox. And there you have it. So we will wait for the email, and then we'll come back. Okay, everybody. So right on time, we got an email saying that our photos are ready. There's a link to view photos, and I clicked it, and here we have it. So let's take a look. This looks good, like the sky. You can show originals too. Now here, you'll see that I had my hand kind of in frame, and they got rid of it. This looks good. Looks like there might be a tad bit of lens distortion here that would have hoped that they would have corrected. I think I'm looking at it right. It seems to kind of bulge out here. Like the window pulls. Here you can see the different brackets. The camera was removed. These look really good so far. There are some that complain about the way that AI edits coloring in rooms, and not seeing any issues. They look very natural. Got a staging option here. Got an auto fill. Repaint, declutter, lot line, Twilight. You got basic adjustments. So again, it would be cool to see kind of a lens distortion option, maybe a slider, but really happy with these. Now this one, it removed too much. The camera was there and it got rid of some of that chair. So we're gonna do, see if we can do a declutter. See how it handles it. There's a little flag hanging on this window, and so it's interesting that AI left that and didn't try to replace it. I'm super happy about that. Let's see. Colors all look good. I'm curious to see what the declutter will do to all this stuff here. Another thing that this did really well was it was really windy that day, and so in between brackets you had these trees blowing, and I like the fact that it captures them and keeps them paused in time. So let's see if decluttering's done. It was on. these shots. This one right here. So there you have it. Completely removed the half of the chair. So I'm impressed with that. I didn't even have to tell it what to get rid of. It just knew. Looks like it also removed the towel from the towel bar, but that's okay. And then this one, there was a bunch of stuff. There's a table and garbage can and something else right here. And I got rid of that. And did a good job. So there you have it. Pretty quick and easy. Not much to it. Overall, I'm really impressed. So if you want to try Auto HDR for free for 1 month, the first 30 people who sign up using my link, and I'll put it in the description of this video, will get to try Auto HDR for free. Again, it's the first 30 people. So if you try to sign up and it doesn't work, you're a little late. But if you have any questions, please comment them below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it if you find it useful. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would greatly appreciate it. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.